we have one more awardee in this category, the Best Design Award for the year 2025. And this award goes to Sunita Engineering Corporation. Sunita Engineering Corporation, congratulations for your amazing contribution for 5-axis CNC micro milling machine 5X-100. This award is coming your way. IMTMA Best Design Award for the year 2025. Sunita Engineering Corporation. The recipients are here and the audience is here, so can we hear a round of applause? Congratulations. Gentlemen, congratulations. Alright, with that, ladies and gentlemen, we've had 3 awardees in this category, which is the Best Design Award for the year 2025 category. Can we collectively applaud their amazing